Welcome to free learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the href error. Why this error happens. So let's see an example. You can see here that I have some formulas, and in these formulas I am referencing the cell C6 in sheet 5. So this one. You can see now, if I remove this sheet, you can see that I have now the href errors also here. So what does the href error mean? It means that you have a formula that is referencing a value, and the value is not accessible. So the value is in another Excel file or in another sheet, and the Excel file is no longer, it is deleted, or it is in another computer or something. So in order to solve this problem, let's remove this href error. So let's select the full table, click on find, replace, and write here href, the exclamation mark, and here write a space. So let's replace this error with a space and click on replace all. So you can see that we don't have any error, but you have to check or to recheck the formulas. So if you need to put here some specific value, so you have to do it instead of replacing the href with space or 0. You can replace it with whatever value you need to replace it with. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.